Safety officer, responsibilities. What are the responsibilities of a safety officer? The responsibilities of a safety officer ensuring and promoting a safe and healthy work environment for employees. They are responsible for developing and implementing safety policies, conducting risk assessments, and providing safety training to employees. Safety officers monitor workplace conditions to identify potential hazards, investigate incidents and accidents, and recommend corrective actions to prevent future occurrences. They also collaborate with management to enforce safety regulations and ensure compliance with relevant health and safety standards. What is the purpose of hazard identification? The purpose of hazard identification is to systematically identify and recognize potential hazards in the workplace that could cause harm to employees, visitors, or the environment. By identifying hazards, safety professionals can take appropriate measures to control or eliminate these risks, preventing accidents, injuries, and property damage. What is IDLH? IDLH stands for immediately dangerous to life or health. It refers to an atmosphere that poses an immediate threat to life, could cause irreversible health effects, or impair the ability to escape from a dangerous environment without the use of respiratory protection. What is walkthrough? A walkthrough, in the context of safety, refers to a visual inspection of a workplace or a specific work area to identify potential hazards and safety issues. It is a proactive approach to assess safety conditions and make necessary improvements to prevent accidents. What will you check in walkthrough? During a walkthrough, I would check for various safety aspects, such as the presence of trip hazards, proper storage of chemicals, availability and condition of safety equipment, fire extinguishers, first aid kits, etc., proper labeling of hazardous areas, compliance with safety signage, accessibility of emergency exits, and adherence to safety procedures by workers. Suppose you go on site, and crane lifting activity is about to start or in progress, so what will you check there? When observing a crane lifting activity on site, I would check the following: the proper setup and stability of the crane, certification and inspection records of the crane to ensure it is fit for operation, the qualifications and training of the crane operator, adequate signaling, and communication between the crane operator and ground personnel, the load's weight and proper rigging of the load, safe clearance and distance between the crane and any obstacles or personnel, weather conditions and wind speeds to determine if it is safe to conduct the lifting operation, compliance with safety procedures and protocols during the lifting operation. If there is an emergency on site, what will be your actions, or what will you do? Activating the emergency response plan and ensuring everyone is aware of the situation, assisting in evacuating personnel to safe assembly points, notifying emergency services and providing them with relevant information about the situation, conducting a head count to ensure all personnel are accounted for, coordinating with other on-site personnel to provide first aid and medical assistance if needed, securing the area and preventing entry to the emergency zone to avoid further risks, conducting an investigation and report the incident to prevent similar emergencies in the future, reviewing the emergency response and identifying areas of improvement for future